anti-terror ops are on. More troops have been mobilized. This is to hunt down a group of heavily armed terrorists and has entered the Lolab area of Kupwara in North Kashmir. Yesterday, in the firefight, one terrorist was gunned down, while army also lost a Jawan. Remember, according to sources, it was a big group comprising approximately, as it appeared, 8 to 10 terrorists who have managed to infiltrate into the territory. And this was with details coming in that even sniffer dogs, helicopters have been pressed into service. My colleague Mir Fareed is joining me right now. Fareed, what is the latest that you hear? Because it's very concerning. It's Jammu, it's parts of Kashmir as well. They have definitely managed to find some loopholes to attack innocent people and soldiers.
Well, yes, Pooja. After Jammu, where we've seen a sudden terror spike, now it's about the line of control area of Kashmir, where it's day 3 of an anti-terror operation that is ongoing in the Lolab Heights, to be precise, in the Trimukha Top area of Lolab, where the army challenged at least 8 to 10 heavily armed militants. And there was a gunfight, and it is continuing on day 3 as well. As you rightly said, the army has lost a Jawan. One militant has also been gunned down, and the operation is ongoing. We've been told that the group could be comprising of 8 to 10 heavily armed terrorists, and they were planning to use this very strategically important Trimukha Top, from where you can reach Bandipora forest as well as Sopore. So it's very strategically located, and before they could split in small groups, they were cornered by the army and the firefight began. So the operation is still ongoing, and we've been told that the choppers as well as sniffer dogs have been pressed into service to fast track the operations, and more reinforcements of the army have been sent in to corner them and ensure that they don't use the thick forests and the jungle terrain to escape from the location. The operation is ongoing. And then you also have the line of control on very high alert, considering that there are non-stop inputs about presence of militants on the other side, small groups scattered on the launch pads and waiting for the first opportunity to sneak in. So it's multi-dimensional as far as the security agencies are concerned. While they are tackling it in Jammu on the line of control, there is another angle where infiltration is happening, and it could peak in the coming days. Pooja?
And that's why perhaps a security review and mobilization will be extremely important. And remember, these are frustrated terrorists who do not want the situation to normalize in J&K. We'll be tracking the latest on that. Fareed, thank you very much.